Welcome to WordPress Quick Fixes from WP-Tutoring. Your site title and tagline are the two lines browsers and search engines show the world, and most sites still have the defaults. Let's fix that. The title and tagline follow your site everywhere. They're the text on the Browser tab, and in bookmarks. They're the headline Google typically shows for your homepage. And many themes print them right in the site header. Two fields, big footprint. Here's where they live. Go to Settings, then General. The two fields are right at the top. Click into Site Title. It still says the default. Select everything that's there. And type your real name, your business, your blog, you. We'll call ours Riverside Bakery. Use the name people would actually search for. Now the tagline, just below. Select whatever's in it. One short line about what you do. Fresh bread, baked daily. Skip clever slogans. Say plainly what a stranger would want to know. Scroll down. Save changes, and both lines are live. Visit the site and there it is, the new name in the header and on the Browser tab. One screen, 30 seconds, and your site finally says who you are. Quick recap of the two lines. The site title is the name people would actually search for, not a slogan. The tagline is one plain line about what you do, written for a stranger. Every WordPress setting that matters is covered in our full courses and training. The address is on screen, and the link is in the description.